I'm in a McLaren 570S Spider. Next to me is an Audi R8 V10 Spider. Next to that is a Mercedes-AMG GT C Roadster. Next to that is a BMW i8 Roadster. We can have a drag race. My particular car has a 3.8 litre twin turbo V8 with 570 horsepower. That BMW has just a 1.5 litre 3-cylinder turbo engine from a Mini, but it also has an electric motor, so it has 375 horsepower, but it's also got all-wheel drive. Now, I've got some special guest presenters in the other two cars, and in the Audi, I have Yianni from Yiannimize.
So Yianni, can you tell me about your car?
It's got 540 brake horsepower, 5.2 V10, and it looks nice.
In the Mercedes, we've got rapper Professor Green.
So, Prof Green, tell me a bit about your car.
It's got a 4-litre V8 twin turbo and 560 brake horsepower, and it looks lovely.
Now, I think Yianni might be at a bit of an advantage because he's got quattro all-wheel drive.
You and I both have rear-wheel drive cars.
I'm sure Yianni is very happy about that.
I bet he is.
I'm ecstatic.
Well, let's see if it actually helps you out at all.
Now, before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're updated when we make a new upload. Also, check us out on Instagram at CarWowCars for some behind-the-scenes content. Let's do this. I'm quite excited. Oh, I've got an idea. Actually, guys,
Listen. Whoa, listen.
we are in a bunch of Roadsters. We should not be racing them with the roofs up.
So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to restart the race, but when the starter starts us...
You have to first put your roof down before you can go.
Are you serious? So I felt confident. Now I've got to put this roof down. It's going to take like a week.
No, it's going to be the same for all of us. I actually think that the Mercedes has a slower roof. I mean, are you all right with that, Prof Green?
Well, yeah, sweet, but
I don't know if this gives me an advantage.
you're a disadvantage.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Let's do it.
Where is the button? Okay.
Let's go, roof down. Come on, roof. I'm cheering on the roof. I've lost my marbles.
Go roof, go roof, go roof, come on!
Come on.
Come on! Hurry up!
Come on!
Oh my God. The top's not even come off yet.
That R8 is slower. I think Yianni was right. Mine's pretty quick. The Mercedes is actually the quickest. Oh, come on!
You're kidding me, right, you?
See ya!
Yianni is beaten again.
Unbelievable.
Woo! It looks like you've got the slowest roof, Yianni.
You don't say.
Gone, and I'm still sitting there like...
Hello.
And you know what? I cocked up a bit because I think mine had gone up and I was still sat there because I was busy looking at yours, laughing at it.
I reckon there's a slim chance.
I think I've done you.
Can we do a proper drag race, please, where the roof can either stay up or stay down, so I don't have to do the roof?
Oh, there you are. I've turned round. I can see you now.
And I went and said that I had the slowest roof. I think I might have got that completely wrong.
How do you feel about that one, Yianni?
Wow. Listen, I knew I had a slow roof.
But let's see what happens when the roof's down.
Let's see how good you are then, mate.
I think you've got an advantage then with your quattro all-wheel drive.
Let's do a proper race. Oh, they're going to get dropped. Oh, he got a better start than me.
Come on.
Come on, McLaren. Come on. Bye-bye.
So quick, look at that.
you got off really good there, but I was so funny, your face. When I came past you, your face.
You were not happy.
My reaction time was on the money, and the McLaren just comes past me like I'm parked. Hate
Losing.
I wouldn't mind, but my reaction time was brilliant. My foot was off the brake
And the car should have been moving, but
the wheels were, the car wasn't.
Yeah, that can happen in that car.
you need a bit more driving skill, that's all. I'd have been fine it, obviously, Prof Green, but you know, you better stick to your rapping.
You've seen me drive, Matt, I still haven't heard you rap.
touche.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the McLaren, it did the quarter mile in 11 seconds dead. The Audi took 11.5 despite it starting ahead. In third was the AMG, 12.4 was its standing quarter time. And with 13.3 seconds, the BMW, it was last across the line. Yeah, I think your job is safe, Professor Green.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour in second gear. I'm going to count us in, then we're going to floor the throttles and go. We're all locked in manual mode.
And I'm going to call it 3, 2,
1, go! See ya! Hello, Prof Green! I'll see you later! Well, that was interesting. You were chomping at the bit there, Yianni. I must say, you were easing forward a little bit.
Listen, my car's slow.
I broke. I started braking because I couldn't hear anyone shout brake, so I don't know if you got ahead. I think you pulled ahead of me when I started braking.
I think you hadn't started braking at that point.
At least I'm going to claim that you hadn't.
I'm 100% sure, not even 99.
I looked over and I started braking and you still bloody accelerated.
Okay.
Maybe, I'll tell you what, I reckon you won that.
I reckon so.
So 1 win to the Mercedes, 1 to the McLaren, and despite numerous attempts, not a single win for the Audi, unfortunately, nor the BMW i3, which I've almost pretty much forgotten about. It's not even an i3, it's an i8. Right, guys, I really, really hope you enjoyed that video. Now make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also check out Yianni's channel, Yiannimize, and if you want to follow the link below the video, you can check out Prof Green's music and hear his latest single.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on our logo to subscribe to this channel. And if you click on the bottom right hand corner, you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.